Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading we are going to do it in a different way, guys. It's going to be like a pick a card for your love energy. So we will pick one card from this deck and one card from the other deck for your love energies, guys. Whichever card you want to watch, you can watch that, guys. I'll be giving the second card's timestamp in the description. You can skip to that timestamp and you can watch that reading if you are interested to watch that card. For your daily energies, we'll be picking 3 cards, guys, as usual, Gemini. We will open those cards as we proceed into the reading. These are the cards here. So for the first card for your love energies, Gemini, it's an angel card. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that the angels are guiding us today, guys. And this card is about love and healing, guys. Maybe this is time that you are healing yourself. Maybe you need healing in this relationship, maybe together, or if you are in separation, this is the time you are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually, guys, even mentally. So whatever things that you need to do for your healing. For physical healing, we may do some detox diet or practice some exercise, something that improves our physique and helps us physically. For mental healing, we can go for meditation, yoga, whatever we are interested in. So this card is about that. So we are healing from the past, whatever the past energies was, whatever past hurt, whatever we would have felt in the past. This is the time we need to overcome all that and look for what is there right in front of us in the present, guys. And that is the guidance with this card, guys. So when we go in for that healing, we will be able to reach our maximum potential in our spiritual growth and even in our physical growth. So this card denotes that, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be traveling, you may be planning a trip with your person, or you may be traveling just to detox yourself from your routine. Some holiday you may be planning with your person, guys. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is this card. Clean it up. So with this card for your relationship, guys, or for your love energies, we need to clean up ourselves, guys. It's something similar to this previous card. So healing, we saw healing with the previous card. So with this card, the energy is that whatever that is causing that clutter, that negative energy in your relationship, maybe the past hurt or your memories of the past, or if you are in this relationship with this person at present, maybe some arguments or misunderstandings, whatever that is causing trouble between both of you, you need to forget that. You need to give all that up, that negative energy. So sometimes even in our house, guys, when we clutter things, when we hoard things that we do not use, it occupies so much space, and each and every object has a subtle energy about it. So when we keep so many things we don't have the use for, it just gives negative energy. So we need to give all that up, those things that we do not use. We should not we should clear the clutter, whatever is there in our house, clean up the mess. So that is what the same thing that applies to our relationship. Whatever that is not working in this relationship, you have to clean it up, guys. You have to give up that baggage. This is what this card is about. So when you give up that baggage, this relationship will flourish. Maybe your past hurts, or in this relationship maybe some misunderstandings, or things that some hurtful things you said to each other, whatever that is, you need to give all that up to make this relationship flourish. That is what is the reading for your love energy, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your daily energies, Gemini. It's Knight of Swords, it's Seven of Swords in reverse, and 10 of Cups. So with these cards, Gemini, I see here that you are ready to take up anything. You are ready to face anything, whatever that is coming your way, and you have that determination and confidence. You are a person of certain beliefs. You have certain beliefs and ideals. This may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys, and you are ready to jump into action. You are a very courageous person. That is what I see here. And certain situations are in such a way that you feel happy, content in however your situation is, guys. Maybe things are going really well. Maybe in your personal life with this person, in your relationship, you may have that happiness and contentment, and you are enjoying peace. You are celebrating, guys. Maybe you are moving forward towards engagement or marriage. That is what I see here. Something positive is coming your way in your relationship, or it may be something regarding your work situation. Things are going well, and you feel and you are happy for that success and accomplishments, whatever you have made for yourself in your life, and you have that emotional contentment, fulfillment in your life, guys, today. That is what I see here. You have that peace and happiness. And maybe for some of you all, there may be people suggesting you certain things, maybe regarding your relationship or in your work situation. They may be giving you some advice on certain things, and maybe for few of you all, you are not taking up that counsel. That is also what I see here. You are not listening to their suggestions. Maybe you believe in yourself. You have that firm conviction and determination in your life today on your decisions, whatever you have made, and that may be the reason that you are not accepting other suggestions. That is what I see here with these cards, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.